Okay, it came from Bath and Body Works. I didn't know Mother's Day na pala soon. So sabi, if you spend $40, you will get this package for $45. And then, worth nito was like $100 plus. So, tingnan natin, no? Siyempre, pag pink, okay, di ba? Pag pink, okay, sige. So, ito ang laman. Let's see. Oh, plug in. Kasi sabi nila, limited daw to, binibigay lang to. Wala silang ganito sa store. And then, may kasama siya nito. So, ayan, lalagay mo siyang ganyan. And then, candle, scented candle, which is my favorite. Mabango nga. Meron din siyang Bath and Body Works fragrance mist. Hi, Mana girl. And then, meron din siyang body wash. Naliligo naman ako. Ba't kailangan nyo ng body wash? Kojic soap lang ang gagamitin ko. And then, oh, pwede to. May lotion. Lotion. So, guys, ayan lahat ang kanyang goodies. Goodies for early Mother's Day. Ang kulit ko, no? Early Mother's Day gift ko sa akin. So, sisindihan ko na yung candle since it's my day off, diba?